the covered mile. Air-conditioned, weatherproof, convenient. An outstanding commercial success. Town planners like them, retailers love them, and the public come in droves to spend their money. Yet there is no such thing, as they say, as a free lunch. There are some problems. A major shopping centre such as this in Gateshead may hold at any one time many thousands of people. Ordinary people, families, the elderly going about their business, or just browsing and enjoying the amenities. In the UK, Home Office regulations charge the fire service with the duty of ensuring that buildings are designed for easy evacuation and the limitation of fire and smoke spread. The tendency has been to make buildings larger, and consequently they will contain larger numbers of people. In these conditions, maximum safety is achieved by what the fire service calls compartmentation. This type of design, coupled with good safety practices, limits the rapid spread of smoke or flame. But in open areas such as these, permanent smoke barriers would defeat the whole purpose of the open, spacious design. A conflict of interests is obvious. Safety versus aesthetics and convenience. Smoke forming inside any building will rapidly seek the quickest route out. And rapidly is the key word. A wave front of smoke in an enclosed building can travel over a ceiling or roof faster than a man can run. And worse, will travel under false ceilings or become trapped in ceiling voids so that you don't even see it until it blocks the exit behind you. Smoke is deadly. It doesn't just displace the oxygen. It doesn't just make you cough. It kills quickly and easily. For smoke is made up of a number of highly poisonous substances and superheated gases. One lungful can burn you from the inside out or paralyze your senses as surely as any nerve gas. It doesn't take very much of the right kind of smoke either to do a very effective job of killing people. Smoke is not something to be taken lightly. You can't afford to, because it has yet another ace up its sleeve. It blots out your vision. People in an enclosed area, disorientated and blinded by smoke, panic. And panic is the secondary killer that works hand in glove with smoke. Not a very promising scenario. So what is being done to minimize the effects of smoke and fire spread in an enclosed area that will meet with the safety regulations, the desires of the general public, the requirements of the retailer and the architect, enabling everyone to enjoy all the advantages of a spacious traffic-free shopping area in complete safety? The answer has been achieved, and as often is the case, the answer is both simple and logical. Flexible compartmentation. A flexible means of saving people's lives. The smoke datum is a fireproof curtain that does not alter or affect an architect's overall concept, but meets all the requirements of safety regulations and operates automatically when needed. Even in an enclosed area of these proportions, smoke can spread very rapidly, reducing visibility and creating panic as people attempt to get out of the building. This is Sub-Officer Ron Gilchrist of the West Midlands Fire Service. Ron, in your experience, the situation that I've just described, could that apply to a shopping centre like this?
Yes, people just do not realise how quickly smoke can spread. And in some instances, it can spread quicker than a person can walk.
And presumably that can create panic and people will break into a run.
That's right. Panic will set in, people will be tripped over, fall over, and then of course we have a possible disaster on our hands.
That means in order to evacuate a building like this quickly, people need to be able to identify the exits quickly.
That's right, and the fire service go to great lengths to ensure that there are adequate exits for people to leave the building. And also, we need to disperse the smoke very, very quickly. Otherwise, it could be a hazard to life. And as most people know, it's the smoke that kills.
Well, let's now see just what does happen to superheated smoke when it's contained inside a building. First, it will immediately rise, filling the ceiling voids, seeking any route out of the building. A billowing wavefront will quickly travel at ceiling level. As it cools or reaches a wall or barrier, it will mushroom downwards in a burning, poisonous cloud, reducing visibility to 0. Now let's run the sequence again and see how the smoke datum system deals with a similar situation. At the first hint of smoke particles in the atmosphere, the automatic alarms trigger the descent of the smoke curtains and switch in the heavy-duty extractor fans. Toxic smoke and gases are now safely diverted out into the atmosphere, ensuring that the fire exits remain visible and minimizing the risk of the fire spreading. The curtain fabric itself is a woven glass textile, approximately 1 millimeter thick. This is further reinforced with an Encolon-coated stainless steel thread, creating a powerful and effective barrier. In fact, the material has been tested at the Warrington Fire Research Centre under controlled test conditions to withstand a temperature of 600 degrees Celsius for up to half an hour. Under normal conditions, the operation of the smoke datum is triggered by the automatic alarm system. These highly sophisticated zone control systems are now standard fire control equipment and are installed in all major buildings. The smoke datum is designed to be compatible with this type of equipment. This means each smoke datum is custom made to become compatible with each architectural concept.